I just wanted to jump on here and show you guys what I take with me on my everyday kind of real estate shoots. Run and gun, very quick, a small pack. I do have bigger bags that I save for like a bigger production, but when I'm just running and gunning and I'm going to a quick real estate shoots, this is what I'm taking with me. First, I'll start with the bag. We've got the Brevite, the jumper bag. They actually sent this to me probably about a month ago, and I've been using it ever since, and this bag is actually great. It's perfect. I love the fact that it is lightweight. I love the fact that it fits a lot of stuff in here. I also love the fact that it kind of looks like a normal backpack and not a camera backpack, and the reason that is because I'm shooting in the city a lot. I just don't want people knowing that I have expensive gear in my bag. We'll start with the camera. The camera I'm using is the Sony FX30. Attached to it right now, I actually have the Sigma 30mm f1.4. I actually love that lens for all of like detail shots and close-up shots that I really want to get. I have the Sigma 56 1.4. This is just in case I want to get something extra tight, extra close. I don't find myself using it very often, but I do find it nice to just have this just in case I want to get that little bit of extra punch. Next, I have the Sigma 16mm f1.4. This lens is great for like realtor talking portions, when they're walking, touring houses, any type of talking stuff. I love having this on here. It gives you that 24 focal length, and it's a nice shallow depth of field with it being 1.4, and I just find it very pleasing. I love this lens. It's a great lens. Next, for all of my meat and potato shots, that's the wide shots, is the Sony 11mm f1.8. This lens has been amazing. It's sharp, it's nice, it's lightweight. I love that. Next, I have this little pack that I keep all of my like cables and stuff, like my microphones. I have little lavalier mics from the DR10Ls that I use on the Rode Wireless Go's. And that's what I'm going to go into next, is the Rode Wireless Go 2 system. And I actually bought this case separately from Amazon. I could probably find the link and leave it in the description below. I like this because it's a charging case. You just push this button here after you've been using it, if you're going to the next shoot or something like that, and you can have charging on the go, which I love. Up at the top, even though I don't usually use it, I keep my handle for the FX30 just in case I ever need to do handheld for whatever reason. I keep a blower, a little dust blower, and a little cleaning tool just in case I need it for anything. In the front, I usually keep, this is the color checker. Sometimes I'll use that if I find that I'm struggling with white balance in a certain room or something like that, and I have just popped this open and set a custom white balance on there. I have a couple of extra batteries in there. 2 is usually plenty enough. I usually can get through a whole day of shooting with just 1 battery, so 2 extras is overkill. I have a couple of lens filters in there in case I need any variable ND. And the last thing that I usually carry with me, and I hardly ever use it, but because of the fact that it has this nice little pocket on the side here, I always bring my travel tripod with me. And this is the Peak Design travel tripod. It's the aluminum version, not the carbon fiber. I bring it just in case I ever need anything to be on a tripod, or if it's going to be a long take or something. I like bringing stuff in case I need it. I don't like to be stuck out on a shoot and not have something that I want or need. That's all I carry in my bag. I like to keep it as lightweight as possible. I've been pushing more towards a minimalistic approach in 2023 and the end of 2022. I've really been enjoying the Sony FX30. If you have any specific questions about the Sony FX30 or the way that I shoot real estate in general, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing or liking this video. It truly helps. I will see you guys in the next video.